The sun was hot. Tom sat by a big dam. His pet pig, Pat, sat on a rug. A bad hum was in the air. Tom saw a rip in the dam. The gap got big. Pop, pop, pop. The mud got out. It was a lot of wet, red mud. Run, Tom, run. Tom got his pig. Tom ran to a big log. He set Pat on the log. The wet mud hit the log. Bam! The log bobbed up. Tom got on the log. He did not let go. The mud ran and ran. At last, the mud hit a big pit. The log sat in the pit. Tom got off. He hugged his wet pig. Tom and Pat had a lot of mud on them, but Tom was glad.